In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful when someone leaves your company, changes roles, or simply no longer needs access to your QuickBooks account. Cleaning up old users helps keep your books secure and your user list organized. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account as an admin or a user with permission to manage other users. Only people with the right access level can remove users, so if you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to check with your account administrator. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens a menu that controls many of the main settings for your company file. In the menu that appears, find the section labeled Your Company. Under that section, click on Manage Users. This will take you to a page where you can see everyone who currently has access to your QuickBooks company, along with their roles and statuses. It's a good idea to quickly review this list from time to time to make sure only the right people have access. Next, scan the list to find the specific user you want to delete. Take a moment here to double-check you've selected the correct person, especially if you have multiple users with similar names. On the right side of that user's row, in the Action column, you'll see either an ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 dots, or a small drop-down arrow. Click on that icon to open the Actions menu for this user. From the options that appear, select Delete. This tells QuickBooks that you want to remove this user's access to your company. At this point, the user won't be removed just yet. QuickBooks will first ask you to confirm. A confirmation pop-up window will appear, asking you to verify that you really want to delete this user. This is an important safeguard because once you delete them, they'll no longer be able to sign in to this company file. Their historical activity, like transactions they created, will still remain in your records, but their login access will be revoked. If you're sure you've selected the right user, click Delete in the pop-up window to confirm. After you confirm, QuickBooks will process the change and remove that user from your active user list. And that's all there is to it.